Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of creating those sleek high-tech interfaces you see in sci-fi movies, think glowing buttons and clean digital displays, then you're in exactly the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create your own futuristic interfaces using Figma, even if you're just starting out. By the end, you'll know how to find, use, and customize high-quality templates to make your projects really stand out. So let's dive in. First thing you'll want to do is head over to the Figma Templates and Tools section. This spot is a treasure trove for designers, whether you're building an app, a website, or just looking to experiment with new styles. Take a second to look around, there's so much inspiration here. In the search bar, type in Futuristic Interfaces. This will pull up a bunch of ready-made templates designed to capture that next-level, forward-thinking aesthetic. Think digital dashboards, neon-lit controls, and space-age typography. The search is your friend and will save you so much time compared to building everything from scratch. Once you see the list of results, scroll through and find the design that really catches your eye. Which one fits the vision you have for your project? Maybe you're drawn to sharp geometric shapes with glowing outlines, or maybe a holographic vibe feels right for you. Take your time here. Choosing a good base template means less work customizing later. Now select the template you want and open it up in Figma. If you haven't used Figma before, don't worry, it's incredibly intuitive once you poke around a bit. When you first open up your chosen interface, you'll see all the layers and elements laid out, like buttons, text fields, sliders, and decorative accents. This is where the magic really happens. You get to customize and make this template your own. Double-click on any element to start editing. For example, you can tweak colors to match your brand, change the font to something more futuristic or readable, resize elements, or even swap out icons for ones that suit your project's mood. Don't hesitate to get creative. Sometimes, even a small change, like switching an accent color or adjusting transparency, can make the whole interface feel more unique. Once you've got the template personalized and you're feeling proud of how it looks, you can copy the frame and paste it directly into your main design file. This makes it super easy to integrate your new futuristic interface into whatever you're working on, whether that's a website, a mobile app, or even a presentation mockup. And remember, you can keep customizing at this stage too. Maybe your buttons need different labels or your icons could be enhanced. Little by little, these tweaks will help your interface truly reflect your vision. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly set up a modern, futuristic interface in Figma without having to build every detail from zero. It's a fantastic way to speed up your workflow, impress your clients, or add that wow factor to your portfolio. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a deep dive into specific interface elements. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.